So friends, in this video, I'm going to design a poster in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now we are going to text and here we are just going to add a heading and write digital marketing. Okay. And now we are going to select the text and change the font. And here in the font you can search for any good font, right? Let us select this one. Okay, let's increase the size, let's rotate it and put it over here, right? And then duplicate it, again duplicate it, again duplicate it, again duplicate it, and here I'm just putting it over here and then over here, right? And then we are going to group both of them and then simply duplicate it, right? Then again duplicate them, right, as per our requirement. Then again, and now again. Sir, what are you trying to do? I'm trying to do a good thing, my friend. Okay, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on elements and here I'm just going to search for laptop with woman, right? Okay, you can upload your image as well. I have removed the background. Sir, can we bring it into front? Yeah, we have clicked on layer, bring to front. Sir, now what next? We are going to select it, right? And here we are going to edit it. And shadows, we are going to see all and add a outline. Sir, outline of which color we want? TP top. What color you want? Okay, we have added yellow color, right? Now what we are going to do next is we are going to search for circle lines, and in graphics we will select whatever the circle will like the most and then simply select the same color, right? So let's use the color picker and select the circle of this color. So now what next? We are going to send it backward, layer, send backward. So it's looking nice. Yeah, my dear friend, it's looking nice. Line texture. So what else we can do? We can add such line texture as well, right? Let's go back to the elements and let's look for some good line texture, right? So can we rotate it? Yeah, my dear friend, you can rotate it easily you can rotate it, no issues. Sir, what else we can do it? We can add this one as well of yellow color, right? So what else? Wait, my dear friend, wait, right? Sometimes we should wait and we can find some good textures, right? Don't be in hurry when I'm with you. Line star star. So the stars are looking nice. Yeah, my dear friend, stars always look nice. So what next? Here you can find some good stars as well. You can put them here. So in this manner, you can simply create a good poster using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.